Hi guys, we are going to look at the third tab in the ribbon today, Gradebook. So the Gradebook is used to see your scores for the assignments that you have done. Either the assignments that your teacher has assigned to you or activities that you have completed on your own. All right, so let us explore the Gradebook. So when you click on Gradebook, you will see your grades for the first unit. So each unit has a grade. Now, it says that I have completed 4 out of the 6 assignments that the teacher has assigned to me in Unit 1. This is not your score for the last assignment you have completed. This is the average score for all of the assignments that you have completed in this unit. So this is Unit 1, the power of goals. So I go over here to the menu and I click. Once I click, you will see the gradebook will change. So once I click the power of goals, Unit 1, I see the different sections in that unit. And also you can see that the gradebook has also changed to match what you're seeing on the left side. So here I have completed one of the 2 assignments in listening and speaking, and I have completed 3 of the 4 assignments in grammar. As you can see, in listening and speaking, I have gotten 100%, and in grammar, 78%. So that is why my average is 85%. Now, if I want to go back and see exactly how I did on an assignment, I go to the section here. So I want to check in the grammar section. So I click grammar and you'll see the gradebook will change once again. Okay. And the order of the, the activities is the same order in the gradebook. So you can also hover over and you will see the name, the full name of the assignment, and I can click on it. Okay, the full name of the assignment. Now it says that I submitted this. I got 100%. I can go back and review how I did. And I can also go to the second one, which I did not do so well on, and go to submitted and see where I went wrong. Okay, so I can see that I got this one wrong, and they asked why I got it wrong and how I can correct it. Okay, if I want to do this activity again, I can click try again. I can also ask to show the answers, and the answers will be given next to next to the wrong one. Okay, now that I'm done, I click close. So the interesting thing about the gradebook is that you have 3 options. You can look at assignments, you can look at practices, and you can look at tests. Now, I'm going to go back to the main gradebook. So, assignments are all the assignments that your teacher has given to you. The teacher has assigned for you to do. Practices are assignments, well, not exactly assignments, is the work that you have done on your own independently. Your teacher has not assigned it to you. you have chosen to do extra work for practice. And tests are the tests that your teacher will assign for you to do. Okay? So usually you will be, depending on how far you are, you can actually have you cannot have all three checked at the same time. So you can have only two checked at the same time. Here you see there are two tabs. There's data and diagnostics. Diagnostics is very interesting. It will go through how much time you are spending on an assignment or in a subject. Okay. So in listening and speaking, I spent 14 minutes on one activity. Not bad. In grammar, I'm averaging about 2 minutes. That is why I didn't do so well the second time. So this is good to know. You have your total and for your assignments. Now, when you do practice and tests, a bar will show up for that, how much time you are spending. So if you are finding yourself, you're not understanding the grammar and you're at 2 minutes, maybe you need to spend more time in practicing your grammar. You also have skill, okay? So we have the different skills, listening and speaking, grammar, and reading and writing. Okay, so right now I don't have anything, but when you do more assignments and more activities, you will see how you're doing on different things. Okay, that's it. Good luck.